So welcome back guys to Elite Coders Club, and in this video we are just going to see different commands, and basically we are going to try for 20 commands, and these all commands are going to be unique, and this command should be known by every user who is going to use the Windows. So before moving ahead, like, share and subscribe our channel. You will get the commands inside the description with their function, what is function of that command, and also I am going to explain in this video. So let's get started guys. So before moving ahead, we are just going to see how we can just open the CMD. So we are having a start CMD, और जैसे आप एंटर करेंगे तो भी यहाँ पे भी कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट यहाँ पे खुल जाएगी. Then next thing, you can just move the cursor on this and then you can just click on this and you can just write CMD. You can open it. विंडो R करके CMD लिखने के बाद और यहाँ पे सिर्फ आपको टाइप करना पड़ेगा CMD and OK. Next thing is that अगर आप एक कौन से भी फोल्डर के अंदर आ जाते हो तो उस डायरेक्टरी के यहाँ से आपको खोलना है. सो सिंपल यहाँ पे आप लिख दो CMD and enter. Your command prompt is going to be open for that particular directory. Okay, these are the three methods, and the first command here is going to be title, title. That means you are having a title right now, and that is the command prompt. I just want to change it, so I am just going to write Elite Coders. Okay, and जैसे मैं एंटर करूंगा आपको दिखाई देगा कि जो टाइटल है बेसिकली वो चेंज हो चुकी है. ठीक है, तो टाइटल यहाँ से चेंज होती है. आपको अगर टाइटल चेंज करना है तो आप टाइटल लिखेंगे स्पेस करके. आपको जो भी टाइटल है, आपको जो भी नाम देना है वो यहाँ पे आप दे सकते हैं. You just want to give your name as hackers, okay, and exclamatory symbol, and I'm just going to enter. So you can see the terminal is being changed. The name is being changed from Elite Coders to hackers. Okay. The next thing we are just going to see, and that is going to be exit. If you just want to close this terminal, you can just go with this. You can click on this, and the another method is you can just write exit and enter. So this is one of the method. You can just see the command is being command prompt is going to be exit. Okay. The next command is going to be color. Okay. When you just want to change the color of the text, I'm just going to write color dot attr, or you can just write color dot help. Okay. Or you can create a space instead of writing here dot. You can write color space attribute. attr stands for attribute. और यू कैन राइट कलर स्पेस हेल्प. ओके, तो दोनों में से कौन सा भी आप यूज कर सकते हो. कंट्रोल सी करके मैं उस जो भी कमांड है उससे एग्जिट कर सकता हूँ. ठीक है, कंट्रोल सी, यू कैन जस्ट प्रेस इट टू एग्जिट दैट कमांड एंड यू कैन जस्ट राइट हियर नेक्स्ट कमांड. ओके, then from here I would like to use the green color as hackers use green color. So color 2, you can see it is green, and if you want aqua, so you can just write color and the code for it is 3. If you want to zoom in, zoom out, you control and scroll up and scroll down as per your requirement. You can just set it, or you can just make it full screen as well. The next thing we are just going to see here, and that is going to be IP configuration. Okay, IP configuration. Okay, so अगर आप नेटवर्क से कनेक्ट होंगे तो आपको यहाँ पे IP एड्रेस दिखाएंगे. ठीक है, you will find out your IP address, and if you are not connected then it is not going to show you. The next thing here is the system information. जो भी सिस्टम है उसकी अगर आपको इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए तो आप लिख सकते हैं सिस्टम इंफॉर्मेशन. Okay, something is wrong with this system information. You have to see here in this keyboard you will have this arrow up and down. So I'm just going to use this up, and I'm just going to move at that point system information and then enter. So it is going to load the information about system going to display on this terminal. So you can just see here we are having some size, then how much bit, okay, how much it's 64 bit, then everything which we can see inside this PC. Okay, you can just search here for about this PC. Okay, about your PC, और इधर से भी आपको सभी इंफॉर्मेशन यहाँ पे इस पेज से भी मिल जाएंगे. ठीक है, then next thing we are just going to see, and that is we are just seeing system information. Set is nothing but environmental variables. अगर आपने कौन से भी लैंग्वेज यहाँ पे सीखी होगी तो आप जाते हो एडिट सिस्टम एनवायरमेंट्स के अंदर, और वहाँ पे आप एडवांस में एनवायरमेंटल वेरिएबल्स के अंदर यू गिव अ पाथ. ओके, so here right now I'm having MongoDB and Microsoft Visual Studio Code. You will find out some path which see as the PC is formatted, so फॉर्मेट होने की वजह से यहाँ पे आपको ज्यादा पाथ्स नहीं दिखे. तो वो सभी जो पाथ है अगर आपको टर्मिनल के अंदर देखना है, ओके, इंस्टेड ऑफ मूविंग इनसाइड एडिट सिस्टम एनवायरनमेंट एंड देन इन एडवांस, सो आप यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक कमांड डाल सकते हैं, सेट करके आपको एक कमांड मिल जाती है. ठीक है, द नेक्स्ट थिंग वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू सी, एंड okay, before moving this you can just write CLS, that stands for clear screen. एंड व्हेन यू आर जस्ट गोइंग टू एंटर, जो स्क्रीन है वो यहाँ से क्लियर हो जाएगी, ठीक है। नाउ इट्स टाइम टू सी दी प्रॉम्प्ट, ओके। तो प्रॉम्प्ट क्या है, सबसे पहले उसको मैं समझाता हूँ। जो यहाँ पे आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, सी यूजेस लिनो, ओके। If you just want to remove this, you can just write here one code, one command prompt, and I'm going to write here command as elite, okay. And when I'm just going to enter, ये जो डायरेक्टरी जो भी है वो यहाँ पे रिप्लेस हो जाएगी इसके साथ, ओके। अगर मैं फिर से लिख देता हूँ prompt prompt and I'm just going and enter, then you can see it has been changed. तो इस तरह से आप इसको चेंज कर सकते हैं, ASSOC, okay. So it is going to show you all the file with extensions, okay. तो जो भी फाइल है पीसी के ऊपर उसके साथ साथ उनके एक्सटेंशन यहाँ पे आपको दिखाई देगा। अभी जो हमें एक्सटेंशन मालूम है, देखो यहाँ पे हमें जो एक्सटेंशन मालूम है MPG, MP4, MPG, ओके। तो ये सब लोगों को मालूम होगा। तो इस तरह से आपको सब कुछ दिखाता है। तो उसके लिए कमांड है ASSOC, ओके। The next command is going to be, okay, we have just seen association. Now it's delete file. So for this, I just want to create one file. So I'm just going to write new text and we are going to rename it as one, okay. तो ये फाइल हमने यहाँ पे क्रिएट कर दी। और अगर मुझे इस फाइल को डिलीट करना है तो सीधा मैं जाऊंगा, सबसे पहले हमें जो डायरेक्टरी है वो बेसिकली देखनी पड़ेगी। तो मैं क्या करता हूँ, इस जो कमांड यहाँ पे आपको प्रॉम्प्ट दिख रहे, आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू यूज अनदर कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट एंड या। तो अभी ये isn't on desktop, so what I'm going to write cd desktop and I'm just moving inside the directory desktop, और मुझे इस फाइल को डिलीट करना है वन, तो मैं यहाँ पे लिख दूंगा del, this is main command, and जो फाइल है उसका नाम और उसका extension, so it is extension, इस extension is txt, इस txt फाइल that means text, and जैसे मैं एंटर करूंगा आपको वो फाइल यहाँ से रिमूव हो जाएंगे। And it is also not going to be present in inside recycle bin also, so it is going to delete permanently, okay. The next thing we are just going to write tree, and it is going to show you all the folders inside that directory in a tree format, okay. And inside the C drive, okay, so here the Windows folder has been present, and if I just want to move inside this directory, instead of writing CD desktop and writing all the location, you can just move inside the folder right here CMD, and right now I'm just going to write tree, and you will find out it is going to load a huge structure, because inside the folder there are subfolders, there are different folders inside this, because it's a huge Windows folders. So it is going to write inside the tree, okay. The tree, we are going to see the version of your PC, so for that we are just going to write VER, okay. VER लिखने से आपको एक वर्जन मिल जाएगा, आपका पीसी की कौन सा वर्जन। The next thing is a task list, okay. I just make one more mistake, so I'm going to use again arrow task list, okay. So it's similar like when you come inside the task manager, and inside the task manager you are having an app history, okay. How much time it's been required and everything, so you can just see here it's similar like that. Going to move up image name, PID, session, okay. So it's similar like this. Task list, date, you can just change the date. Control C, I'm just going to exit it, and time, okay. Control C, I'm just going to exit from that command. You can just change your date and time as well. Host name, और जैसे मैं होस्ट नेम लिख दूंगा, जो भी पीसी का नाम है यहाँ पे आपको दिखाई देगा। Okay, Rising Coders Era is one of my channel, YouTube channel, where skills for coding, it may be Java, it may be Python, it may be JavaScript, HTML, CSS basics, and many more things we are trying to make it advanced. Different projects we are working with, and you can just join me over there, searching for this channel. There are different projects, you will get the source code of GitHub and many more things I am trying to work on. And here also we are planning for different things. The next thing we are going to see here, and that is going to be WMIC product, WMIC product, PRODUCT. And जैसे मैं enter कर दूंगा, so it has just shown us everything, the file, okay. You can just see one of the most Visual Studio Code, and here there is different files, Microsoft Update, Health, okay. These are different software which have been installed. तो इसके लिए मैं लिख दूंगा shutdown, and this I'm going to enter. So there are different methods for shut down the PC. स्लैश से आप यहाँ पे शट डाउन कर सकते हैं। स्लैश आर से क्या होगा, क्या आपका पीसी शट डाउन होगा और रिस्टार्ट होगा, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे टेक्निक्स है, आपको जो पसंद आए वो आप कर सकते हैं। एंड यू कैन जस्ट राइट हियर Now if I just want to shut down, what I'm going to write, shut down, and okay, DOWN space, and you can see here they are saying slash yes से shut down हो. तो जैसा मैं enter करूँगा मेरा PC shut down. Okay, so this all of the commands you will get in description. You don't have to worry about that, and keep practicing guys.